Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Informates and Facebook page Informates. Today in this particular video, I will tell you what kind of top 10 painkiller used in UK. So don't skip the video because this is very important video. You will learn a lot of from this kind of video. So we are going now to tell you what kind of top 10 painkiller used in UK. So here are the top 10 painkiller brands commonly used in UK. Number 1, Panadol, which contain paracetamol. Number 2, Nurofen, which contain ibuprofen. Number 3, Anadine, which contain aspirin, ibuprofen, paracetamol combination. Number 4, Solpadeine, which contain paracetamol plus codeine. Number 5, Codamol, which contain codeine paracetamol combination. Number 6, Paramol, which contain dihydrocodeine paracetamol combination. Number 7, Cyanidol, which contain codeine, paracetamol, caffeine, doxylamine combination. Number 8, Voltarol, which contain diclofenac. Number 9, Naproxen, it is the generic name of Naproxen. And number 10, Tramadol, which is also the generic name of Tramadol. So these were top 10 painkiller used mostly in UK. So I think you have liked this video. For more informative video, you can subscribe my channel Informates, and as well as you can also find me on my Facebook page Informates, because both there in my Facebook page and as well as my YouTube channel, a lot of based on an informative video is there. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thanks.